What's up, everyone? How's it going? Happy Monday to y'all. I got another request for you guys. I got another request of try Coca-Cola chugging without belching for you guys today. I didn't know which one to pick from, but I know this is an old drink already, but this is the Coca-Cola orange cream. All right? Now, let's see how this one's gonna go. Oop. All right? This is the Coca-Cola orange cream chug. Cheers. And three, two. Wow. Yeah, I feel a little buildup while I'm here. But yeah, I did it, guys. Once again, without the burping. If you enjoy, if you are new, remember to subscribe and like and comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'm so proud of myself. I did it once again. Take care and hoping you have a rest of your good day, you guys. Take care now.